So little areas to watch out for, or little tricky parts in this song are mainly, to me, the vibrato, holding multiple strings down and doing vibrato. So, like that. And then we come down here. I have to bend up on the strings, otherwise I end up muting the strings. So try that if you have trouble getting that B string to ring out. If you're doing vibrato, go up. And the same thing when you have all three strings fretted here. Vibrato or doing upward motion instead of a downward, instead of pulling downward, helps me get that vibrato to ring out. And then from here, once you go to repeat or go to the second phrase, this little third finger is your lead to get back into that main thing. And then everything else is pretty simple. Like I said, the vibrato is probably the hardest part of this for me. And the second part of this, I'm kind of adjusting to be able to play on one guitar. In the recording, it's overdubbed, kind of like this. Something like that. So we're gonna play both the melody and harmony lines at the same time. And the hardest part on this is getting the sliding to be accurate. So just spend some time on that very deliberately. And I use my first and third fingers for nearly the entire thing. You can use your first and seconds. I know some people do that, but I just find that to be too big of a stretch for myself. So first and third, or first and second. Either way you want to go about it, whichever way is more accurate for you. So there's a lot of vibrato, little articulations throughout this thing. Listen to the original recording and then really pay attention to the little notation marks like the vibrato and the little choke marks or the kind of short notes, the little notes with a dot next to them. That's it for this Riffing Through Time. Let me know what songs, licks, riffs, solos you'd like to see in upcoming videos. See you later.